Hello, and welcome to the NJDEP NJ GeoWeb for e-permitting tutorial video. In this video, we will walk through the basic steps needed to obtain your New Jersey state plane coordinates through the NJ GeoWeb service. Let's get started. There are two ways to access the NJ GeoWeb service. The first is independently, from the main NJDEP webpage, or, as shown here, through the e-permitting system on the Site Information screen. Simply click on the icon located under the NJ GeoWeb title. You are first brought to a full view image of the state of New Jersey. Next, click on the Search tab at the top of the map. From here, you have a variety of search options to choose from. Select one of these options and enter your specific information, then press Search. You'll be directed back to the map with your search selection highlighted. Use the Zoom tool to narrow the map view until you can see your site. Once you have located your site on the aerial view, click on the Advanced Tools tab, then Measure, and select the push pin icon located to the top far left of the Tools bar. Place the icon on your site location. Upon doing so, your state plane coordinates should appear in the box on the right-hand side of the screen. Record these coordinates. Then input them in the appropriate boxes on the coordinates section. This completes this tutorial. For more information regarding this process or other aspects of the Stormwater Construction General Permit, please contact Daniel Cuddy, Senior Environmental Specialist at 609-633-7021, or by email at daniel.cuddy@dep.state.nj.us.